Hi, my name is Damien Lepar. I'm a pediatric and congenital cardiac surgeon at Morgan Stanley Children's Hospital, Columbia University in New York. I'm here today to inform you that me and my team of surgical collaborators, Dr. Vincent Durand and Dr. Stephen Rothenberg, recently completed our first minimally invasive VATS vascular ring repair. This is a new technique that we're offering our patients as an alternative to the traditional open repair, whereby we would make an incision in between the ribs to access and repair the vascular ring. Using this video-assisted thoracoscopic surgery technique, we use 3 small incisions and a camera to perform this surgery, repair the vascular ring, very similar to operations that are performed using laparoscopy in the abdomen or arthroscopic surgery in the joints. This is a technique that we are very excited to offer our patients. We think that it has inherent advantages over the open technique in that it allows for quicker recovery, less pain, and a more successful operation for many children with vascular rings.